If you're an entrepreneur or an online coach or industry expert and you're looking to grow your brand, but you're like, there's so many things that I have to do, you are gonna love this video because I'm gonna share the 5 AI tools that you could be using to grow your online business right now. Hey, Courtney Sanders here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me, I'm a full-time online life and business coach as well as wife and mom. I wear all the hats and do all the things. And I'm really excited about doing all of the things because of this AI revolution that is happening. Yes, there are so many different AI tools that are coming out on the market. I know it's got a lot of people nervous, but I personally am really excited about how AI can help you grow your business. So if you are an entrepreneur, online coach, or industry expert, and you're looking to grow your brand, but you're like, there's so many things that I have to do, you are gonna love this video because I'm gonna share the 5 AI tools that you could be using to grow your online business right now. All right, the first AI tool, you already know what I'm gonna say. This is the juggernaut right now in the AI space and the one that everybody is talking about, and that is ChatGPT. So if you've been living under a rock, ChatGPT for the time being is a free program that you can go to online, a free application. I don't even know what you call these things. And it's kind of crazy. You basically just ask it questions. You just ask it questions via the little text box and it will give you answers. But ChatGPT really shines when it comes to research and written responses. So I really like ChatGPT in terms of research. For instance, if I am researching maybe a specific target market for clients that I am working with, maybe I want to learn more about a particular demographic to help them come up with a marketing plan. I love that I can go into ChatGPT and ask very specific questions about the target market that they are looking to reach. And even if their expertise is not my expertise, because I coach clients in a variety of different niches, I am able to kind of quickly get up to speed about their niche and the market that they are targeting, and then come up with custom solutions for my one-on-one clients to help them really grow their brand. So I was reading somewhere that Google put out a code red alert over ChatGPT because it's such a great tool for getting answers and getting thoughtful answers very, very quickly. With Google, you have to Google it and then go through the search results and see if you can find the information that you're looking for. But ChatGPT is super cool because it's like a waiter. It just serves it up. It brings it right to you. So if there's something that you particularly need to research and you're not sure, particularly as it relates to marketing your business, I really love ChatGPT for that type of research. It's almost like having a little assistant that can go out and find you information around your customers, your ideal clients that you are looking for. All right, the next tool that I've been using for some time now, I've actually been using this tool before ChatGPT came out, and that is Jasper AI. They actually started off as Jarvis, but now they're Jasper AI. And Jasper AI is similar to ChatGPT, but it's primarily focused around marketing and marketing copy. So I really like Jasper AI because it helps me do things like write sales pages much faster, come up with copy for Facebook ads. It even will give you subject lines that you can use in your email newsletter campaign. So I love going into Jasper and using it to come up with different subject lines for my emails. And then the email software that I use allows you to split test. So sometimes I'll send an email and I'll send one email with one of the subject lines that Jasper came up with to half of my list, and then that same email but with a different subject line that Jasper came up with, and I send it to the other half of my list and I see which one wins. So I really love Jasper for determining what type of marketing copy is really going to resonate with my audience. Now, obviously, Jasper doesn't know your audience, so you do have to feed it information, but it's really good. You can tell it kind of what you're looking for in plain language, and it will generate marketing copy for, again, your sales pages, your landing pages, email subject lines, Facebook ads. Even if you end up writing some of it yourself or kind of cleaning up what Jasper comes up with, I really like it because it's a very great time-saving tool, and it can kind of give you the outline or the structure and help you come up with ideas much faster. So I really love Jasper. It's kind of like ChatGPT, or rather I should say ChatGPT is kind of like Jasper because Jasper came out first, but it's really good for coming up with marketing copy. All right, this next tool is something that I've recently discovered, but I am obsessed with this tool. It's actually helped me save money because I was paying people in my business to do this for me, and now this tool has completely eliminated the need for me hiring this out. And that is a tool called Vidyo, and it's spelled kind of strangely. It's VIDYO. I love this tool because it will watch all of your long form videos and split it up into little 1 minute and 2 minute clips that you can then repurpose for things like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or even TikTok. So if you notice, I've been publishing a lot more YouTube Shorts here on my YouTube channel. Here's my little secret. I'm using that tool. Yes, video. Again, that's VIDYO. I'm using the video tool to help me quickly go through all of my long form content and come up with those short clips. Now, it's not perfect. It's pretty good though. It'll usually give you like 5, 6, sometimes even 7 clips per video. And then I just watch to see what it caught. And because it's not perfect, sometimes I have to like clean it up a little bit or maybe start it 5 seconds in further than where it started. But I love that I don't have to pay someone to watch my videos and chop them up for me. So it's really doing like 3 jobs in one. It's essentially taking the place of hiring someone to watch the videos and identify those content clips. And then it's replacing a video editor to go in and cut it up for you, because it will automatically cut the clips for you. And then it's replacing getting your video transcribed, because it transcribes it for you and even puts the captions on the video. So it literally does 3 jobs in one. I love it. Again, it's helped me save money because I used to pay somebody to do this, and now I don't have to do that anymore because I use video. So if you're looking to take your long form content and you want to reduce it into short form content, in fact, I recommend you do that because I talk about that in this video here, which is all about how to repurpose your content. Video is definitely your answer. I have more where that came from, but first I want to hear from you. Do you use AI in your business? Share in the comments below. All right, this next tool I've been using for a year, almost 2 years. It's not technically AI, but it uses AI, and that is Cheatsheet.io. So I really love Cheatsheet.io because I feel like it's maybe a competitor to say like Vimeo or Wistia or any other video hosting storage tool that you might use. So oftentimes you want to host your videos maybe for courses or for online content or for paid content that are not public facing videos like YouTube videos. These are not videos that you're using like to attract clients. These are essentially videos that maybe people are paying for or that you only want viewed by a particular group of people as a part of a membership portal or whatever. So I really love Cheatsheet.io. It's replaced a lot of the video hosting tools for me because it automatically, presumably using AI, transcribes your video content and it makes it searchable in the video. So it's so cool because when you embed the video on your website or in a membership area, as your clients and customers are maybe watching your course or watching your videos, they can actually click the little search bar in the corner and type in a particular word that they're looking for, and it'll speed up the video to that point. Now, my team and I, we really love Cheatsheet because I create so much content that oftentimes we need to find places where I've referenced something before. And so since all of my video content is hosted in Cheatsheet, when we are looking for instances where I talked about that previously, it's very easy for us to just literally search that term in Cheatsheet and it'll bring up all the videos and even all the podcast content, audio content where I've talked about that in the past. So this is really good when I am coming up with email newsletters. I might be talking about something and I might want to reference a particular YouTube video or a particular podcast episode where I talked about that exact subject. So Cheatsheet is really awesome with their AI transcription tool because my team can just go to Cheatsheet, search for whatever it is we're looking for, time management, life coaching, and any content that I've ever created, whether it's a podcast or a YouTube video, will come up in Cheatsheet and we can find it right away. All right, this next tool is a tool that I haven't used just yet, but I'm getting ready to use it, and that's why I've included it on this list, and that is Fireflies.ai. This tool is so cool. It'll basically sit in on your Zoom meetings for you, and it will transcribe them and take notes and even send it out to the participants. Now, this is something that I'm getting ready to do because I often host coaching calls with my high-level group coaching clients and my one-on-one clients, and I'm like a fire hose of information. I'm giving them a lot of different assignments, and so my team has to watch my Zoom videos back in order to create the list of deliverables and action items that my clients need to go through. And so I'm really keen on checking out Fireflies.ai because it's going to save me and my team a lot of time. Now someone doesn't have to rewatch the video. Essentially, AI is going to do it for us and even come up with the action items that we send out to our clients. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you're going to love my outsourcing cheat sheet guide. This is a guide that I put together that talks about all the tools, even where I go to find talent, where I go to find my virtual assistants. I've been using many of these tools since when I first started my business, and it's a great reference if you're looking to save time in your business. So you can get that by downloading it by clicking the link below. All All right, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you can't wait for my next video, make sure you subscribe to my podcast, The Courtney Sanders Show, on both iTunes and Spotify. And if you can't wait for my next podcast episode or my next YouTube video, make sure that you are following me on Instagram. It's CourtneyLSanders on Instagram. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.